it's Izzy from Tech, the global tire and wheel authority, where we are all about training and education. In this video, we want to debunk some of the myths and misinformation about noise reduction tires. You've seen the next generation of vehicles, which are electric vehicles, or EV for short. These are the cars currently using noise reduction tires. Because these tires are designed for a quieter ride, every major tire manufacturer are developing their own version of them to enhance the driving experience of their electric vehicles. Now let's talk about the difference between noise reduction tires and a traditional tire. So the major difference is that noise reduction tires have a foam insert along the inside of the tire, just under the tread area. The foam can be different in height, width, and how it adheres to the tire, but its ultimate purpose is to help absorb and minimize tire noise. Noise reduction tires are definitely repairable, and only a few steps differentiate their repair from a traditional tire. Now let's take a look at the industry standard tech tools needed to properly repair a noise reduction tire. Using a sharp knife, cut a 3 to 4 inch section of the foam insert out around the injury area. Just like a regular tire, use a probe to identify the size, angle, and location of the injury on the inside of the tire. If the tire has a tacky adhesive, you don't need to buff it. Just drill out the injury 3 times from the inside and the outside of the tire, then install the repair following standard tire repair guidelines. If you want, the foam can be reinstalled in the tire as long as the adhesive remains tacky. All you need to do is place the foam back in the tire and apply pressure, so it's pretty easy. If the tire has a cured adhesive, just follow the steps outlined in our Uniseal repair video or RM4 repair manual, which you can get on our website. And I'll give you that address in just a few seconds. So once the repair is complete, you can choose to replace the foam. To do this, simply apply Tech Security Code 738 over the entire area previously containing the foam. While the product is still wet, place the foam back into the tire, apply pressure, and voila, you've successfully repaired a noise reduction tire. For more information about this repair or to search our training catalog, visit our website at techtirerepairs.com and click on the Tech Training tab. There you can find repair manuals, videos, our list of classes, and of course, browse and purchase all your favorite tech products. I'm Izzy with Tech, the global tire and wheel authority. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to catch me in other tech training videos as I show you how to properly repair all types of tires using technician trusted products by Tech. See you soon.